Mia? Mia? Oh, it's you. Thank goodness. I tried to mail Justin an invitation to finally visit the Miaverse, and I don't think I did it correctly. I seem to be, quite literally, lost in the mail. I tried texting and calling, but it just won't go through, and Mia can't even hear me. It must be all the envelopes. Do you think you could help me get out of here? What do you mean there's no point sending paper mail anymore? We're living in a digital age? Oh no, you made it mad. You made the mail mad. Better hang on to just your attitude a bit, or we're gonna be stuck here. Oh. Do we stop? Do we stop spinning? Thanks for getting on board with helping me figure out how the mail works. Hey, what's this nestled amongst all these letters? It says here that 1775 was the year the United States Postal Service was founded. Hey, that means the USPS is older than the United States itself. Did you know that Benjamin Franklin was its first postmaster general? Oh, it also says to unravel this mystery and get unlost, we need to go back to the basics, master the art of mailing, and uncover the secret services of the USPS. Whew. All right, fellow sleuth, let's see if we can track down some clues. Aha! Our first clue. It says here that snail mail is a colloquial term used to describe traditional postal mail services, which are slow in contrast to email. The United States Postal Service, or USPS, has a rich history. Its creation was crucial for maintaining communication across the new nation. And even today, with all of our access to digital communication, the Postal Service remains a vital institution. It plays a key role in promoting equity and accessibility across the country, including the most remote, rural, and underserved communities. It also provides a range of jobs, supports economic growth, and is critical in times of crisis, such as natural disasters or pandemics. How do you think the Postal Service helps people? Why might people use the mail? Nice work. Let's see what you might have said. What might be the most popular use of the Postal Service is sending cards, packages, and letters. These can feel more meaningful and personal than digital messages, and are always a nice surprise. Voting by mail empowers citizens in remote or underserved areas to participate in elections, ensuring that everyone's voice is heard, irrespective of their ability to physically reach polling stations. And then there's healthcare. Many people receive essential medical information and reminders through the mail, or even prescriptions. These are critical services for lots of people. You can also use the post office for sending and receiving invitations, bills, legal documents, and bank statements. The possibilities are endless. Wow, the Postal Service really connects us. I never really thought about it from that angle. So, how do we actually send something? Aha! What do we have here? The art of mailing. This must be our next clue. Looks like it's got instructions for how to make sure our items reach their intended destinations and don't get lost in the mail. When addressing an envelope, place the recipient's name and address center stage and your return address in the top left corner. This ensures our mail reaches its destination effectively. In case the mail needs to be sent back, like if your recipient no longer lives at the address you included, the return address will make sure the mail makes its way back to you. Take a moment to pause here to ensure the envelope in your notes is properly addressed. Now, carefully place a stamp in the top right corner of the envelope. Think of a stamp as a little ticket that pays for your letter's journey through the mail system. Each stamp has a monetary value, and the total value you need depends on the letter's size, weight, and how far it's going. For a standard letter, one stamp is usually enough. You can also buy global stamps for letters going to other countries. If you're sending something heavier or larger, like a big envelope or a package, what do you think you should do? Pause here to brainstorm and plan. You'll probably need more postage. That means either using a higher value stamp, adding multiple stamps, or paying by weight. You can buy stamps at post offices, some stores, or even online. Remember, mailing a letter might feel old-fashioned, but it's a timeless skill, essential for various aspects of adult life. In addition to in-person services, the post office offers many resources online. Very convenient for today's digital world. It's all about finding a balance to keep us all connected. Look at our last clue. This parcel, marked Secret Services of the USPS, holds our next clue. What else do you think the post office can help with? Did you know that many post office locations offer passport services? You can apply for your first passport, renew an existing one, and even get your passport photos taken all in one convenient place. This service is especially handy for travelers and students planning to study abroad. What about P.O. boxes? These are like your personal mailboxes at the post office. They're awesome for keeping your mail secure, especially if you're living in a dorm or moving around a lot. Plus, it gives you a bit of privacy for your mail separate from your home address. You can also consider purchasing insurance and tracking services for sending valuable items through the mail. Maybe concert tickets you sold online, or a special gift to a friend in another state. These services provide peace of mind by ensuring that your important parcels are not only delivered safely, but can also be tracked in real time. Take a moment now to think about a scenario where you would need to use a specific post office service. What service do you think you might use in the future, and why? Maybe sending a care package to a friend in college? Or perhaps securing a P.O. box for your new online venture. Lots of exciting possibilities there. As we've learned, the post office offers a wide array of services that can be crucial as you embark on various endeavors in your adult life. Understanding these services not only prepares us for practical tasks, but also opens up opportunities for more efficient and secure communication. Hey, I think I finally figured out how to send that invitation, and add a tracking number this time. Oh, here we go again! Oh, hey, MiaPrep, Justin. Your invitation finally arrived. We did it! We got unlost in the mail! What? Long story, don't ask. It says here I need a Miaverse passport to visit. Oh, yeah, well, it's made right here. Your ticket to exploring all the wonders of the Miaverse. What's the matter?
Well, if the passports are made in the Miaverse, how am I supposed to get one from here?
Oh. Huh. That is a Mia-sized oversight on my part. Looks like I got some more work to do. At least we learned a lot about the post office today. Using the mail isn't just a practical adulting skill, but it's also a way to stay connected in our increasingly digital world.
Absolutely. And don't worry, we'll figure out a way for me to get into the Miaverse someday. Catch you at our next adulting adventure.
Hey.